Hello everyone, welcome back to RoomaEducation. Today we're diving into a very important topic in cybersecurity, attack kits. These are powerful tools used by cybercriminals to create malware easily, even without advanced technical skills. If you use a phone, laptop, or any device connected to the internet, this is something you must understand. So let's learn what attack kits are, how they work, and how we can protect ourselves in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. Attack kits are tools used by hackers to create malware easily. Even someone with very little technical knowledge can use these kits. They come with ready-made malicious code, infection methods, and tools to spread the malware. That means cybercriminals don't need to write malware from scratch. Attack kits work like a malware builder. You just select what type of malware you want. For example, something that steals passwords, spies on the computer, or takes full control. You choose how it spreads, and the kit automatically generates the malware. Some kits even include encryption to help bypass antivirus software. Attack kits work like a malware builder. You just select what type of malware you want. For example, something that steals passwords, spies on the computer, or takes full control. You choose how it spreads, and the kit automatically generates the malware. Some kits even include encryption to help bypass antivirus software. Some famous attack kits include the Zeus Builder, which created many banking Trojans used to steal money. Another is the Black Hole Exploit Kit, which infected millions of computers. SpyEye is another kit used to steal login credentials and personal information. These kits are dangerous because they make cybercrime easy. Even beginners can launch powerful attacks. They allow hackers to attack thousands of devices quickly, and they're updated very often to avoid detection. Many kits are cheap, so more people can access them. To protect yourself from attacks created using these kits, always update your devices and software. Use strong antivirus programs and firewalls. Avoid downloading unknown software or clicking suspicious links. Safe browsing habits can prevent most attacks. So now you know what attack kits are, why they're so dangerous, and how hackers use them to create powerful malware with just a few clicks. The best way to stay safe is to update your devices, avoid suspicious links or downloads, and always practice safe browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RoomaEducation for more easy explanations on cybersecurity topics. Thank you for watching, stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.